To check your PayPal account limits, follow these steps. Open the PayPal website or app and log into your account using your credentials. On the web, click the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the page. On mobile, tap on your profile picture or menu icon, then go to Account Settings. In the Account Settings, look for a section labeled Limits. Click or tap on View Limits. This will show you any restrictions on sending, receiving, or withdrawing money from your PayPal account. PayPal may also impose transaction-specific limits for unverified accounts. If you see limits in place, PayPal often allows you to lift limits by providing additional information. This could include linking your debit/credit card, adding a bank account, or submitting documentation such as your ID. You can typically find an option like Lift Limits or Remove Limits under your account settings, where you'll be guided through the process of verifying your account or providing the necessary documents. Limits may include daily or yearly transaction limits, or restrictions on the maximum amount per transaction. For unverified accounts, limits may be stricter, but you can usually remove these by completing verification steps.